everyone, Lagos Housewife here on the healthy lifestyle, and today we will still be talking about air fryers. I will be telling you about the different types of air fryers so that when you want to buy your own, you can make informed decision. Which one should I buy? Which one is best for my family? And yes, the three major ones, the basket air fryer, the air fryer oven, and the combo air fryer. There are also other types, other not so popular ones that I will also tell you about at the end, but these are the three major ones. And so let's start. This is the basket air fryer and it's the most common one all over the world. Why is it called the basket air fryer? Because of this. Anyone that slides out like this is referred to as a basket air fryer. It can be round, the most common shape is round, but you also have square ones, and there are some now that come with double sides, but once it pulls out like this, it has something like this. It is a basket air fryer. So, and yes, they usually come with this inside. The former ones used to have a whole other basket inside, which was what gave it the name. But now they no longer use basket. It's easier to use just this, but it is still called basket air fryer. And the convenience of this one is the fact that it is compact. It fits anywhere, though of course when you get the double-sided one, it's much bigger. But yes, these are the very common and easy ones. They are the cheapest in the range, except you are getting a very expensive brand. But yes, these ones are normally cheaper than the rest. And here's the thing, whatever an oven can do, an air fryer can do. Though because it's basically an air fryer, it gets hotter than regular oven. So if you're following an oven recipe, you will need to reduce the temperature on this. For example, maybe you are baking cake and it says bake at 180 degrees centigrade. You are going to drop this down to 160 degrees centigrade. So just take 20 degrees lower, and that is the temperature you will use to bake. So that's it. And then, as I said, anything can be used inside, a glassware, a ceramic ware, anything you can use in the oven also goes in the air fryer. Now for the next one. Second one is the air fryer oven. Why is it called an oven? Okay, this, you see, shaped like an oven. But that's actually not the major reason. The major reason is the fact that it can work separately as an oven, even without the air fryer. There are actually two types of this. There is the one that you cannot use the air fryer when you are using the oven function, meaning the air fryer fan will not be on, the air fryer aspect will not be on. That is this type. But there's also another type that even when you are using the oven, you can choose to have the air fryer and oven running together in a combined baking feature. You understand? So that one will also make your baking go faster. But with this one, the oven is separate. When I'm using the oven, I cannot use the air fryer. When I'm using the air fryer, I cannot use the oven. So it's the buttons here that are this knob here that I will use to control it. And that's exactly what makes it an air fryer oven. So as you can see, it comes with shelves and different things like that. This is what is called the air fryer basket. So this is the one you use generally for air frying. Then it has the rack, the baking rack. It also comes with a baking pan, regular baking pan, and it comes with a drip tray. What the drip tray does is that when you are air frying, it's a basket. Like if you are air frying chicken, the oil will be dripping down so that it doesn't go inside your oven. This drip tray catches it and then you bring it out and pour it or use it for whatever you want to use it for. With general basic air fryers, the heating is from up. But with the air fryer oven, it has heating from down and up. So the air fryer comes down from up, the oven rods is from down. It also has oven rods up. So you can choose to use the oven up and down or up alone, like when you want to, maybe you just want to melt cheese on top of pizza. You use the upper heating rod, or if you want to bake, like bake bread, bake cake, you use the bottom heating rod. So basically an oven and an air fryer in one. That is what the air fryer oven is. And you can see it's bigger than the normal air fryer. It's not so convenient to carry up and down. Most of the air fryer ovens I told you about that can be used with the air fryer fan alongside with the oven feature, they actually come slightly smaller than this. This is 23 liters. Those ones sometimes come in 20 liters, 19 liters, 17 liters, and even 15 liters. They are slightly smaller because they are actually to be used more as air fryers, but they have separate oven function. This is separate oven, separate air fryer in one. You understand now? Good. Let's move to the third one. This here is a combo air fryer. Why is it called a combo air fryer? Because it's a combination of 3 features: air fryer, oven, and microwave. Yes, this can do all 3. And the amazing thing about this is that you can use all 3 features together in what is called a combo cooking. The air fryer, the oven, and the microwave will all work together to do whatever you need to do. And also you can choose to use either one single function or to combine any of the 3 functions, as in use 2 out of the 3 functions at once. So very, very nice for that. But there are 2 disadvantages I noticed about the combo air fryer. Because it has a microwave function, the inside is built like a microwave oven, it's built to reflect a microwave. That means whatever you are doing inside, that bowl will be rotating. That plate, that air fryer plate will be rotating. So whether you are using it to bake, to air fry, or to microwave something, that plate keeps on rotating, which leads to the disadvantage. It simply means anything you are going to use inside has to be shaped in a way that it can rotate and it will not hit the sides. So for something this big, which you should be able to use a sheet pan inside, you cannot, because if a sheet pan is rotating, it will get stuck at the side and then the oven will stop. It will stop. Whether you are using the air fryer or the oven or the microwave, it will stop. Also, because of the microwave function, you need to be very careful not to make a mistake with the type of materials you are using inside. Like if you decide to use like a metal baking pan, please realize you must not mistakenly press the microwave function. It can lead to fire and explosion and things like that. So with this, I'll just say you should be careful with how you use it. You need to constantly read the instructions. You need to constantly know the buttons to press, because if you mistakenly use microwave when metal plate is inside, nah, don't do that. Even this, it comes with this rack, but if I'm going to use this rack inside, it means I cannot use the microwave function. So just keep in mind that if you want to use the microwave function, you need to use only microwave friendly bowls inside, which are basically glass bowls and things like that. And then remember, the glass bowls that go in microwave, it does not necessarily mean it can be used in an air fryer. Like if your regular plates, you can put it in for microwave, but you cannot put your regular plate inside for baking or for air fryer. It will crack and break. At the same time, things like this, metals like this, cannot be used with the microwave function. You can only use it for either air fryer or for baking. And if you know you want to use the combo functions, everything at once, please stick with only things that you can use with a microwave. And one thing I want to say, if you have one of these, it's very, very important you read your manual. I'm always telling you with every kitchen gadget, read your manual. But with this, it's even more important, because to turn on the maybe microwave, there are certain buttons you will need to press in certain order. To use the oven function, there's a way you will need to press it in certain order. Even me that I've had this for so long, whenever I'm switching it on, I still consult my manual to say, okay, I want to air fry, I want to oven bake, I want to do this. I still consult it. You can see the buttons are not many, so there are specific buttons that work for this, for that, you understand. So, but apart from that, it's amazing. It gives you the flexibility of doing multiple things. So now let me move to the lesser known ones. For the lesser known ones, you also have the air fryer grill. Those are the ones that open from the top. I do not have that type, but you can see it here. When it is open, you will see the air fryer fan on top. And then at the bottom here, there's the grill plate. So you can place your things on it and cover it like this. That is an air fryer grill. Then you also have the top opening. I don't even know how to call it right now. The air fryers that open from the top, they look a little bit like halogen oven, but they are not. They are air fryers. They open from the top. They are not grills. They are regular air fryers. They are shaped most times like a ball, or sometimes like a pressure, a multi-cooker, like the type that Ninja has, the Ninja Speedy. You open it from the top and you see the air fryer grill like that, shaped like a pot or like a ball. Though those ones are also quite common actually, and they're also regular air fryers. So right now, those are the 5 major ones. Any other type that you see, they are just like fancy designs. They all fall within these 5 categories, but you can have different fancy designs. So that is where I'll be rounding up the discussion and teachings on air fryers. I hope you have learned a lot, and now you can make informed decisions which one you should buy. So next week, I'm thinking of doing an air fryer recipe for you. And I said, let me throw it open. You know, I've done a lot of air fryer recipes. They're on my video. They are all on my pages. You can check my YouTube. You can check my Facebook. You can check my, what do they call it? Instagram, for different air fryer recipes. But now I'm throwing it open. What air fryer recipe would you like me? Healthy, because you know this is the healthy lifestyle. Would you like me to do for you next week? And that will be what we will use to round up the air fryer series. So comment in the comment section and let me know. So I'll be seeing you again next week. Don't forget, take care of yourself, take care of your health, eat healthy, drink healthy, try to sleep well. At least try as much as possible to get 6 hours, 7 hours sleep. It's good for you. And exercise, move your body. I'll see you next week. If you found this video useful, please share with your friends, your colleagues, anyone interested in knowing about air fryers. It's good information I gave you now, Abby. And please don't forget to give me a like. And if you're not already following my channel, please give me a follow. I'll appreciate it. Thank you so much.